Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another pickaxe in Fortnite. This time it's gonna be the Shortbread Slicers. Alright, so this one is very simple. I should be able to draw it without sketching underneath first. So I'm gonna start out with the handle. I'm just gonna draw basically two lines. Okay, so 1, 2, and then on the back here, it's gonna flare out. So on the very end, go out a little bit more, just kind of come in slightly, and then close everything off. Okay, so that's gonna be the handle, and then for the front, it's very easy. I'm gonna start up here. Just draw like one big kind of upside down U shape first. And then from there, we're gonna draw in the little tip here, but we're gonna make some measurements first. So continue with this line, keep going out until you meet up to here, and then just go past it. And then I'm just gonna add one little dot there. Alright, and then from there, let's go ahead and finish this. So I'm gonna flare out, and this one's gonna flare out just right around here. And then we're just gonna come to the middle here. Alright, so for the axe head, we're gonna continue this. We're gonna go straight down. And then on this part here, from this point, we're gonna go all the way out. Just kind of round it out. And then now we're gonna round the bottom off and just connect to this point here. Alright, so that's gonna be the axe shape, and then now we're gonna draw in the details inside. So right in the middle here, I'll draw one circle. And now come down, draw two more. Okay, and then now for the frostings right here, this one's a little bit tricky. Let's go ahead and right in the middle right here, I'm just gonna drawing a little W. Okay, and then on this corner here, we just go all the way out. And then right here, we're gonna dip it down and stop right there. And then now we're gonna continue on the bottom here, so we're gonna give this line some thickness here. So I'm gonna start on this side, just come in, and then just go right underneath that line, go up, and then right here, I'm gonna curve it right to the edge. Okay, and then now we're gonna go all the way up here. So this thing goes all the way around. So we're gonna follow this line here. Just keep going all the way and just pretty much give it a nice little border. And then coming back. Okay, just go up and then dip it down. And then now we just close everything off. So just round it out, go out to the sides. Alright, so that is it for this pickaxe. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.